In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any OGG file to WAV format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type OGG to WAV MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the OGG to WAV converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your OGG file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted WAV file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted OGG to WAV in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.